Today we are going to make a paper car model of a racing car. This model too is very easy and simple to make. Welcome to Warsaw World. What you are witnessing now is a stop motion photography. In this I have taken a series of photos, and when I run it at the rate of 8 to 10 photos per second, we get the impression that the vehicles are moving. We will require a cutting mat, printout, paper cutting knife, empty or dried up ballpoint pen, steel ruler, forceps, glue. I like mini cars, so I have taken 4 printouts on a single sheet of A4 size paper. Depending on your requirement, you can take the printout on either A4 size paper or A5 size paper. Mine is you can say that it is a A6 size paper because I have used 1/4 of the size of A4 size paper. We'll score out all the fold lines. Now we'll cut all the cut lines. We will crease all the folds so that it will be easy for us to paste all the required parts. Congrats! Our paper car of a racing model car is ready for display. Hope this has inspired you into making one yourself. It is very easy to make and simple, and it's also very cheap because you have to just take out a printout on a sheet of paper. I'll post the link in the description box below from where you can download the template of this beautiful model. Be inspired and be creative. And as for always, thanks for watching with interest and patience.